CLAP, clustering to localize across n possibilities, a simple, robust geometric approach in the presence of symmetries. Here's our overall localization method, with CLAP taking envisioned field features and giving an estimate. It's then merged with an IMU base state estimate using a particle filter. These are the types of landmarks that CLAP takes in. T-intersections are represented by a pink T, corners by a green L, goalposts by a red G, and crosses by a yellow X. Assuming now that our robot only sees a T, L, and a G, we can make estimates of where the robot is based on the a priori known map of the soccer field given in the previous slide. So for example, if we only see a T and an L, we get 4 possible estimates. For the G and T pair, we get another 4, and for the L and the G pair, we get another 4 estimates. When we start stacking these estimates, incorrect estimates start to spread out and correct estimates start to cluster together. If we carry this on, assuming that we see all features of the field, you might get something like this, where each arrow corresponds to the orientation and position of the robot for an estimated state, with darker colors corresponding to less dense areas and brighter colors corresponding to more dense areas. Let's see how this looks like in real life. In this clip, our robot is walking around the field in a box pattern. The black circles are a naive clustering method, which uses the previous pose to find the next group of closest points. The blue circle is our k-means clustering, which runs every couple of frames. These are the results of robustness tests between CLAP, Augmented Monte Carlo Localization, or aMCL, and Iterative Landmark Matching, or ILM. The percentages show the ratio of false landmarks that will be added to actual landmarks that the robot is seeing. The localization output is in blue and the ground truth is in red, which is caught using a motion capture system. We can see that CLAP maintains a smooth trajectory that's consistent between trials and close to the motion capture, while other methods start diverging or jumping. This is trajectory 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Now we're going to show some scenes from the RoboCup 2024 competition, which demonstrates our localization's performance. In this first clip, we can see our robot in red maneuver around our opponent to score a goal. In this next clip, we can see our robot taking a goal near the edge, which requires precise positioning. In this final clip, our robot in red manages to maneuver inside the goal to save the ball. Keep in mind that the goal box is extremely small. Finally, we'd like to thank all of our teammates, professors, and donors that have helped us on our journey.